Okay guys, so we see an imbalance here from the ES. We're looking at an imbalance here in the Nasdaq. We're hitting this area over here right now, which limits the linear regression you see here and the ATR. But let's see who wins. Let's see if the buyers can take it up. We see over 29,000 volumes in this candle. That's a lot of volume. This guy needs to go somewhere. You see buyers in the tape here. There's more buyers in this candle and this other candle here. We see lots of buying. As you can see, the yellow area. It's more than the red, so there's more buyers in this area. We see the volume over here in the Nasdaq picking up, but it's noon, so we're gonna wait and see what can happen. Else, we're just gonna wait and see if we get filled. We took some trades in the morning after the market sell-off. I just don't want to get involved in that craziness that this past 2 days the market was doing nothing, just taking those all-time highs, and that's very difficult to trade. Nasdaq was in a complete mess, so that tells you the story. So we made a long here. We took the 4 contracts here and the 8 contracts out here. Then we went long again, and we got stopped out. I just moved myself a little bit, and just when I came back, it was stopped out. We bought again here. It's a 20,000 volume candle here, and the market decided to stop me out. So I did went long again here, and I exited here. So we were good until there. Okay, so we are up for the day. I'm just waiting over here. I got a strangle here. It can go, I mean a bracket, it can go either way, up or down. So there's too much volume. It's over 32,000 volume candle. That's a lot of volume. Market gotta go somewhere. Okay, so we are already set up, and let's see if we can take a target from here. Okay guys, we got going down. I'm gonna give it some room. Now the tape is really moving. We're gonna remove the buy stop.
Order canceled.
Okay, that this one can be a mover, but we don't know yet. Nasdaq is trying to pick up, but just stall there. High frequency traders defend in this area, or maybe giving liquidity, because the market can go short from here. Okay guys, I'm out here. The market is just doing nothing, so we'll take the loss here. We'll take the loss.
Order submitted.
These guys are gonna try to move it higher. They're not gonna short the market anymore. There's too much guys here defending the market. Nasdaq is doing the divergence, so we're gonna try and see if we can catch it to the upside. So we cancel the buy order here.
Order canceled.
Now the market is starting to move. We were correct. The market was gonna try and go lower. We see an imbalance here in the Nasdaq, but still not moving. Take momentum to the downside, but you see the 40,000 volume candle. They tried to reverse it, but they couldn't. We see the tape here. We see participants.
Order submitted.
Okay, there we go. Lots of buying in this area. You saw here when the market hit this area, just reversed like quickly.
Order
Okay, guys,
submitted.
I'm
Order
exiting here
submitted.
again. Market is not moving. You see an imbalance here. There's buyers, lots of buyers over here in this low area here. I hope we can go to the upper side over here. There's lots of buyers just defending this area here. So let's see if we can get pick up. So we're waiting to see if these guys, the Nasdaq is just trying to go lower. Buyers just couldn't push the market higher. So let's see which one gets filled first. We were correct here in the, I still think the market is going lower, but you know, it's better to protect profits and your counter. Just let it go. It's just grinding. The market is grinding right now. It's just okay, guys. We got filled in the short. Let's see if we can manage this trade. This is the Nasdaq, the afternoon.
Order
Cancel
canceled.
the
Order canceled.
buy limit order.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
See sellers in the tape. Big sellers. Nasdaq pushing higher. Lower. Let's see if we can get to the target here. At least to recoup from this loss. Was a lot of buyers in this area still fighting this low. See the buyers. See lots of volume picking up. Here we see lots of selling here in the Nasdaq. Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause the video so it won't be. Lots of buying in this area, guys. Lots of buying, but still sellers are in control. Buyers cannot do anything right now. I will try to exit early as I don't like to. We see an imbalance in the Nasdaq here. These guys are still pushing lower. Nasdaq is gonna hit 15,000. That number is very critical.
Sweet. Sweet.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay, almost
Sweet.
3K here. We recouped the
Sweet.
losses from the intention over here.
Sweet.
So
Order
let's see how it
submitted.
goes. We're gonna
Order submitted.
take a reversal long here. Nasdaq is reversing. We see the big buyers in the bars. You see the buyers here. The mini Nasdaq fills the orders more quickly as it's got more volume. Okay, let's see if we can get filled here. ES2 has more buy. Not much of a bounce. Nasdaq just reversed
Order
again, so
canceled.
we cancel the order.
Order canceled.
We're gonna wait to the market reverses and take us at least a quick scalp here. We're gonna Okay, guys, the market is bouncing. We see the Nasdaq 236 contracts in this area. Now we're starting to push. We see a almost 5,000 volume candle. This is gonna be a quick scalp to the upside. Let's see if this one works out. Come on, Nasdaq, keep on pushing. They're gonna puke the market, guys. These guys are gonna push the market a little bit of ticks. I don't see sellers in the tape right now. Let's see if it continues. Oh, stop me out. Okay, guys, we're gonna wait and see when the market really reverses. Nasdaq is just too shy right now.
Order submitted.
Okay, guys, we got filled again, so we were correct, but the market is too wild. So why I entered this trade here, because we saw the imbalance here, the guys buying all this. Remember that we're dealing with big pocket guys, okay? So you know, these guys can support all this drawdown. You know, they can have $1 million, $2 million accounts, you know, just for trading the ES. And us retail traders, we don't have that. So it's the double bottom. You see here, it's a double bottom. So they're just trading like there's no tomorrow. They're not gonna let the ES go down. So let's see. Okay, let's see where it ends here. This time it worked out. Okay, sometimes you are correct, guys, but if you analyze the market correctly, you can try again. Like you see, I was place limit orders. I used my order entry tool to place limit orders.
Sweet.
I don't go at market. I never ever go at
Sweet.
market because I don't like that. Lots of buyers. Okay, first two out. Okay, guys, I'm training my son, and he was a little frustrated because the market took $40 out of his trade. Of course, he's learning to trade, and he's using my system, the Bidaskmultimarket relation plus the imbalance pattern. But he's a fast learner. Okay, so okay, guys, I think I'm gonna exit this trade here. Was more than enough. We already recouped this loss and a
Order
little bit
submitted.
out.
Order submitted.
We never know, the market can reverse from here. So okay, guys, so if you're interested in the system, there's the link in the description of this video. You can email me. Remember that the imbalance pattern is a separate program, and the Bidaskmultimarket correlation is another program. And okay, guys,